Okay, I'm going to try again. Here is some silk I wove when I got home from work today. This is very special because this is the first time in my whole life that I've woven real gold thread. And you can see how gorgeous it is. Here is the top surface of the cloth. It's not focusing very well, partly because the glint of the gold. You see how the sort of 8 shapes, the shapes that look like pointed 8s, those are red on this side and the field is gold. If I turn it over, the 8s are gold and the field is red. Also a very handsome effect. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit to show you that the gold thread is actually not thread. It's very thin, flat strips of Japanese paper that have been gilded with gold leaf on both sides. And yeah, it's not focusing well. But they're flat, and I had to work very carefully to not squish them or twist them in the shed as I wove them. It's not easy, and using the beater very softly, But it was not as hard as I thought. It took me about an hour, just the gold part. The green part took me, a minute and a half. But going carefully, I did the gold thread. So not a whole lot of this left in the world. I'm very honored that I get to weave with a little bit of it. It's vintage gold, probably from the late 50s or 60s, which I got from John Marshall. And I just bought a tiny amount. But I just had to weave this a little bit since it's the pattern just looks so good with it.